Hey y'all, it's Shay Ray, whichever you choose, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, it's just welcome to my channel. I realized I never got the chance to show you guys the apartment. I know I mentioned it. I mentioned that we had recently moved, and I also did like a kitchen, bathroom, Amazon type of essential haul. But I never showed you the apartment. And of course, I would have loved to show it before we were living here, and there were a few pieces of furniture that we do have. But I'm looking like, okay, so what? You didn't get the chance to show them. Just show them now. It doesn't matter. So that's what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna show you the apartment, and then from there we should be going food shopping. And I also want to tell y'all about something that I just recently thought of. But yeah, just stay tuned, keep watching. But we're gonna get right into the video. Let's go. So this is basically when you come into the house. To the right, we have a coat closet. There's not much going on in there right now. It's pretty much just being used for a storage bag that I have my like winter shoes and things. I have my vacuum cleaner box because I have yet to throw it away. And over here we have our shoes. I want to get like a shoe storage bench to put there, because putting your shoes on at this age, I be feeling like I'm about to throw up just from bending over. The previous owners, they left us that little coat hook. They also left this huge mirror, and I like the mirror size. I just want to paint over it because that color is hideous. This is my daughter's room. It is Hello Kitty'd out. Okay, it's a decent size. It fits a queen size bed. She got this little arched mirror off of TikTok. Wasn't expensive at all. Love it. Um, and she has this huge closet. She has about 2 shelves in there. She has some, like a rod where she can hang up her stuff. And yeah, it's a decent size. We have yet to put the TV up because I want to paint this room first and then get the TV mounted. Now, moving on to my bedroom. This bedroom is huge, okay? It fits a king size bed. I did not actually like the fact that the rooms have carpet, and of course the carpet is down there from the previous owner, which I'm gonna get taken out, and I want to get hardwood floors because the carpet thing I just can't do. My TV is also down because I want to paint this room as well. We have huge closets in this room. I have a lot of space. The window I love it, lets in a lot of natural light, and I'm just showing you guys from the window, just seeing how it looks on that side of the room. And now we're going to make our way to the best part of the apartment. I don't care what anybody says. This living room is huge, okay? It is huge. I want to get of course a sectional couch, sofa out here, but it's huge. That TV you see there was left here by the previous owners. Only had to pay them $150. Thank you for that. For a 65-inch TV, yes, please leave it right there up on the wall. And I'm gonna show you guys the balcony now. The balcony is huge. It's a decent size. I want to get some furniture, of course, out here because listen, I don't care if it's fall, winter, freezing cold. I'm gonna be out here sipping my hot cocoa coffee or my tea. Okay, love it. I have that mirror over there from Walmart. Just showing you guys we do have AC and we have a ceiling fan out here. And now I'm going to show you the kitchen. Also love the kitchen. At first I wasn't a fan of the fact that they had 2 bar stools out there. And I just felt like that little space that's there where you can see out into the living room, that little window space, I'm just looking like, okay, that's not big enough. But now that I'm here, I actually see it. I like the fact that it's there and I can put stools there if I choose to. But I think that's what I'm going to do. There's also a window in this kitchen. You see me with my laptop over here because I was definitely editing. This space over here where you see the vacuum, the hoverboard, and whatnot, I'm going to get a table. I still haven't decided if I want like a 6-piece or 7-piece dining set with 4 chairs and a bench, or just all 6 chairs. I'm not sure yet. I haven't figured it out. And this space over here will be where the sectional couch goes. I want to get like a sleeper couch situation because if I have family who wants to come over, they have somewhere to sleep, and we don't have to necessarily give them a room, my daughter's room, at least they'll have the couch. And now we're going to move on to behind that door is the bathroom. The bathroom is a pretty decent size. It's not huge and it's not too small. It's only two of us here, so it's not a big deal. I do like the dark wood, um, you know, medicine cabinet and the little storage under the sink. I love that because it doesn't, look crazy. No white getting dirty or anything like that. This is what is supposed to be our linen closet, and for right now, it's an everything closet. I have our laundry stuff. We have our towels, soap, hair stuff, hair products. We're gonna get it figured out in those baskets I've had from when I was living in my mom's house. So yeah, we're back here, right here by the entryway. The windows, I
But
love.
yeah,
This
guys,
apartment, we
this
literally
that's
keep the
pretty
lights off pretty
it.
much up until nighttime, and then I'll turn the lights on if I'm in the
Eventually,
kitchen or
I will
something.
be
But for the
able
most
to
part,
get a
it
couch
gets a lot of natural
and a
light in here.
table, and I would love to.
Now, this is the idea that I was telling you guys about. Okay, this is the idea I was telling you about. So, my daughter and I, we typically don't like to eat the same foods over and over and over again. We get very bored. So, I decided I was going to write out our meals on these pieces of paper, and then I was going to cut those pieces of paper. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna take all of these pieces of paper and then we're gonna fold them up, right? I also decided to take an extra step and write the ingredients for each of the meals so that I know what to, have in the house for these things. So I won't have to go crazy like, oh my God, I don't have this. I know what to get for each meal. So I write down all the ingredients necessary for each meal. And then I'm gonna fold those pieces of paper up and I'm gonna put it in the jar, put a lid on it, and I'll shake it up. And then I had my daughter pick out seven. So that'll be seven for the week. She picks out seven different meals, and that's what we will have for the week. And then I will go and I would shop for those seven meals, all the ingredients that are necessary. This week we got lucky because most of the meals that we have all pretty much use the same, vegetables or meat or whatever. And some of the stuff I already had, so I didn't have to go crazy this week. But I want to kind of try this method out because we don't like eating the same things. I also don't want to overload our fridge and our freezer or pantry even with things that may go bad because we didn't use it in time, especially, your produce and things like that. I don't want to have to go through that. So if I just buy what I need for these meals every week or whatever the case may be, that works out fine for me. And we're gonna see. I'm gonna update you guys to tell y'all, how it went and if we're gonna continue to use this method. Yeah, that's pretty much all I have for you guys this week. I just wanted to show you guys that little idea that I had. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe if you will. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.